Hello, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here. For today's video, we have a Kuromi and My Melody haul. Let's get right into it. First item I want to show you today is this Kuromi storage container, and I actually have a Melody one as well. Here's the Melody one. You can find these on the Sanrio.com website. So the Kuromi one has this little Kuromi with pink bows holding her little mascot. It's got makeup, stationery, all kinds of cute little things. Let's move this aside. So yeah, it's got all kinds of cute little things here. Kuromi is always in style. I thought these containers were so cute, and you can use them for basically anything, which is why I got them, because I knew that I could use these in my shop or I can use these at home. Let's see what fits in here. Okay, so I was able to find a few things just here on my desk for us to see if they fit, and I have some DS games here. Unfortunately, I don't have any of my Switch games here, but the DS games fit really well. If you wanted to close it though, you have to lay them down like that, and they would fit great. And here I just put some makeup that I had around here, and so much of it actually fits in here. I'm really excited about it, and I think it looks so cute here, especially with this Kuromi one, since it's got all these little makeup things on the cover and on the sides. I think it would be really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these things out and show you the Melody one, because I just realized I didn't show you the Melody one. But yeah, I'm really happy about these. I think they're so cute, and they have other characters as well on the Sanrio website, so if you're able to get your hands on these, I recommend it, and they were only $10. So here's the Melody one. The Melody one has all these cute little flower patterns on it, and her little bunny little heart shape, and her blue bow. Very cute. Yeah, this one is adorable. Melody is my favorite character, as you guys know, but the Kuromi one is really stealing my heart with all the little makeup and the pillows. They're both beautiful, and I'm really happy about them. Okay, next items I want to show you are Kuromi My Melody, like Kuromi My Melody collab items, and I purchased these items on the Japan You Want website. I'll leave a link in the description. So this is a cup, and on the inside you can see Melody there with all her little blue bows. It says My Melody. And on the outside there you see Melody, like a whole collage of Melody with the blue bow, and then one little Kuromi. I thought that was so cute. Yeah, and it looks like really good quality cup. You don't have to use these cups like for drinking. You can use them to place your pens, your makeup brushes, or anything like that. These items are also Kuromi My Melody, and these are sticker flakes. So there's 48 pieces in this one and 100 in this one. So here you can see, like, these are like hard plastic stickers, which is really cool because you know they'll be durable. If you stick them on something, you know they won't just peel off. So we have here some little sweet piano, some Kuromi, their other little mascots, and I thought these were so precious. We also have here another version, and these have like even smaller stickers. They're really tiny, which I thought was so cute. And we have Kuromi and My Melody, of course, this time just them, no mascots. So these are really cute. I might use these in my resin work. Next item I wanted to show you guys are these Kuromi and My Melody plastic bottles, or they're silicone bottles, as you can see here. I've shown these in another video, not these exact ones, but the size medium ones, and these are size small. I think I showed you guys Kuromi and Cinnamon Roll, and this time I got Kuromi and Melody. So I'm gonna open these up and show you exactly what these are. So here they are, and like I said, these are silicone bottles. So the material here is silicone. It's squishy, you can squish it like that, and it's very smooth. Unfortunately, I feel like a lot of things stick to silicone, like little fibers and such. So I don't love that. And especially since I plan to keep these in my bag, since they're so small, you can just travel with these. I wouldn't like that a lot of things are going to stick to them, but they're still really cute. If you didn't want to travel with these, you could just use these on your desk, on your vanity. Just leave them like that. They'll stand there and look really cute. So you would twist here, load in here whatever you're going to use, like lotion. I would imagine hand lotion. And then you just open here and you would squirt it out. You could even use hand sanitizer if you wanted. So yeah, I think these are really, really cute, and of course I'm happy about these as well. Next items I want to show you are these little Kuromi My Melody keychains. This is not my first time purchasing these. I actually repurchased these because I love these so much. They're really tiny for a plush keychain. Usually plush keychains are much bigger than this. I don't have an example right now, but they're much bigger. And these are so tiny, so I thought they were really cute. And I love that they have this little loop here, so you can unattach them from this key ring, and you can use them on a phone strap and hang them from your phone, or hang them from your Nintendo Switch or your DS or anything like that. They're the absolute perfect size for a small charm. And yeah, that's why I love them, and I had to get 2 more to use on my other items. Like I said, I just love these. They're so cute. They're so tiny, but they're so detailed. And look at the little paws. I love that My Melody always has her little paws, like on her merchandise. So cute. Next items I have here are actually Kuromi and Melody hair ties. So these are also from the Sanrio website. Most of these things are from either one of the Sanrio stores or the Sanrio website. I will link all of the stores in the description. So yeah, these are just basic hair ties, as you can see. This one has a pink band, this one has a purple band, lilac lavender. And this is Kuromi with the little lavender bow and her little pink skull. My Melody with her pink bow, and they're really soft. These are so cute just to wear in your hair. It has a little accessory. You can wear on your wrist, or you can just keep them like... I have in my vanity, I have all of My Melody hair clips in this little My Melody box. I'll show you guys one day. Really cute. I love them both so much. Next item I want to show you guys are these Kuromi and My Melody hair bands. Well, I'm not sure if I would call them hair bands. I'm not exactly sure what I would call them, but they're like, you would wear these on your head to sort of pull your hair back so that you can do a face mask, wash your face, or anything like that. You can use these for when you're doing your makeup. So you would just put these over your head and pull your hair back with them, and they'll hold your hair back away from your face for you. And I thought these were so cute, so we got Kuromi for Jerry and My Melody for me, and they're absolutely so soft. And the face isn't on them, actually the face is only on this little plastic, as you can see. Only the skull is on them with this one, and the bow is on this one with the little ears. So yeah, if you expected the face is not on there. Oops. But yeah, these are both really soft. I hope they'll hold up well. I'm not sure, like through washes and all that. But yeah, I'm excited to see. Next item I want to show you guys are these Kuromi My Melody locks. And they have these little keys, and they're on this little ball chain. So you can use these as a cute little keychain that looks like a lock, or you can use them as an actual lock. They will work. I think they're so cute. I like to put these on my day collars, like my chokers, or you can just attach these to your backpack. I also have a mini locker, and I haven't tried this on there yet, but I'm excited to try it. The Kuromi one is her purple version, and the Melody is the one with the blue bow. And yeah, they're just both really cute. This isn't my first time purchasing these either. If you saw my Japan haul with my personal shopper, I purchased these a few months ago, but these came to the States a couple weeks ago, and I was able to purchase these again, even though they sold out really fast. So I'm really excited I was able to get these, because like I said, they're just so cute. Next item I want to show you guys is from the Easter collection, and this item, along with a couple other Easter items I got, took a while to get here because they came from Japan, and the surface mail there is taking about 2 to 3 months. And yeah, so I ordered this from one of my personal shoppers in Japan, and it just got here last week, and I'm really excited about it. I thought this container was going to be a lot bigger, honestly, but seeing how small it is, it's just so cute. I'm going to open it up and give you guys a better look. So here it is. You can see Kuromi in her little bunny suit, so adorable. Little eggs, ribbons, a little egg with bunny ears. Candy cabinet, so it's supposed to like carry candy in here, and it's got the little ears with the bows and the heart. I just think this is so precious, and honestly I like it more realizing how I didn't realize how small it was going to be, and seeing how small it is, I think I like it more. So you just twist it off, and yep, there's some candies in here, marshmallows. I'm not sure if they're still any good, but yeah, there's no print on them or anything. Very cute. But you can put anything you want in here, of course. I'll probably put this in my bathroom. Oh, those little lace and heart details. This is just so cute and so small. These are the other 2 Easter items I purchased. This is my Melody plush, and this is the Kuromi plush. Both of these are like a medium size standard plush, and they're so soft. I don't know if it's just me, but I felt like these were going to be a lot bigger than they ended up being. I feel like Sanrio and SanX especially has been making their plushes smaller and smaller with every release, and I'm not happy about that, of course, but they are beautiful and they are really nice quality. So she's got her whole flower crown here, and she's got purple, yellow, pink flowers, and her little pink bow with the floral print. Her little paws are purple, and yeah, she's just really cute. Got little bunny tail, of course. And here's Kuromi. Kuromi has her little pink skull. She has blue, pink, and yellow flower crown. And these are just so incredibly soft and plush. She also has the floral print. Hers is purple, and she has light pink paws. So yeah, these are really cute, and I am really happy about them, honestly. Looking at these now and at the little jar, I wish I would have purchased more from the Easter collection. I wasn't that into it, but now that I have them, they are really cute, and I wish I would have gotten more. Last items I want to show you are the two items I'm most excited about. This is a My Melody Sakura plush and a Kuromi Sakura plush. These were also released a few months ago in Japan. I haven't seen them here in the US yet. And I was just so excited about these and so excited to finally receive these after months of waiting on shipping. Oh, look at that. The little tag has the Sakura melody. How beautiful. Let's see Kuromi's. Oh, Kuromi's is purple Sakura. These two plushies are just so beautiful, and I'm so amazed by them. So Melody has this little satiny dress with a little trim, a pink bow, and there's Sakuras all over her dress. She has this puffy pink bow with little Sakuras, little pearls, bows in her hair, and she's just the most beautiful shade of pink I have ever seen. With her little pink paws. And the eyes were pink, which I thought were really interesting. Like, this is just so pink. I love her so much. I am so happy that I was able to get her. Let's take a look at Kuromi. So Kuromi here is pink, and this is my first pink Kuromi plush, like all pink, and I'm just so excited. She is so beautiful. Her skull is pink. I thought it would blend in, but no, it definitely stands out. It's beautiful. Her eyes are pink as well. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but it seems like Kuromi's eyes are always embroidered and Melody's eyes are always like plastic. Fun little thing. She doesn't have any paws because usually it's Melody that has paws. She has a little short lavender bloomers with a lavender and Sakura dress. Can you see the Sakuras? They're so beautiful. And she's got her little purple balls on her jester hat. I love the detail, little pink bow. And these two little puffy bows with the pink Sakuras with pearl. This is just, oh my, this is gorgeous. So yeah, these were the last items. They're absolutely beautiful and breathtaking, and I'm so happy with them. If I can find where you guys can purchase these, I'm sure there will be resellers on eBay, Depop, or Mercari. I will leave some links in the description for you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. Let us know what your favorite item from today's haul is. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.